Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking the exact family and weights you need. That reduces load and improves performance. Open Google Fonts, choose Styles, then copy the embed link or the CSS at import snippet into your page head. Once done, make sure to select the appropriate subset and consider variable fonts if you need multiple weights. This replaces many files with one. You do this now, so the font files load from Google's CDN and are available immediately to your CSS rules. You then wire the font into your styles. Declare font family with explicit fallbacks so text renders if the web font is slow. Add font display. Swap to show a system font immediately, then swap in the web font when ready. For performance, pre-connect to fonts. G-static. Calm and only request the weights you need. This cuts requests and latency. Once done, test load order in DevTools network panel. That shows which files block paint and lets you trim unnecessary variants for faster rendering. You finish by applying the font to elements. Set a global body rule or specific CSS classes and test across browsers and devices to confirm sizes and line height look right. If policy or latency demands, self-host files and use at font face with proper formats. That gives control over caching. Once done, validate accessibility and fallback rendering. If text stays unstyled, clear browser cache, verify MIME and CORS headers, and check that paths or CDN preconnects are correct. Those fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.